It's Gabe with API Nation. Hey, big news for Transactions zipForm Edition users. If you hop into Transactions zipForm Edition, you logged in, you can now go to the partners area right here, and you're going to see a bunch of new partners from API Nation into Transactions zipForm Edition. So let's scroll down here. You have Active Campaign, Constant Contact, Dubb, the video email platform, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Outlook, Outlook People, Mailbox Power. You can send direct mail and gifts to people you've done transactions with in the past. You can have people from your transactions automatically added to your MailChimp list. Thanks.io, you can have them send gift cards. So there's a ton of new partners here in the partner area of Transactions zipForm Edition. Just click on this partner tab. You can see all the syncs, so you can automate between Transactions zipForm Edition and these great partners using API Nation. If you have any questions or need any help setting up these syncs, just go to apination.com. Go over here to contact, click on support. We can reach out, we can work with you to get this sync set up exactly how you want. If you have any other partners you'd love to see connected to Transactions zipForm Edition, you'd love to see them on this page, go ahead and drop them in the comments so we can reach out and start putting them on API Nation, making more connections and making it easier for you guys to create more deals.